Hi. Hello, and welcome to this video. Here we share 7 important lessons I learned from Stoicism that we should implement in our lives to get better. Stoicism was a philosophy that flourished for 480 years in ancient Greece and Rome. At that time, everyone, whether they were a slave or master, a child or man, a king or queen, a shopkeeper or buyer, used it in their everyday lives. This philosophy gives Stoic principles at different moments of life. How to deal when we panic, when things are worse, and when we are going to give up. This philosophy gives tips on dealing the moments of distress and stress. How to deal with depression. There are 4 major philosophers: Zeno, Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius. In this video, I collect 7 important Stoic principles that we can implement in our lives to get better. Tip number 1. Give attention to what you can. Life is never easy. Things are not going our way. Most of the time, we think negatively. Situations are getting worse, or we focus most of our energy on things that we cannot control. Always stay focused on things we can control. Like our attitude towards life. For example, if we focus on our height, we cannot change it. But if we focus on our health, then we can improve it. It's up to us where we focus. Tip number 2, be the example and take action. Most of the time, we think. We think a lot. We plan, we think about objectives, and we think about challenges. We think about the possible advantages of the implementation of certain ideas. But we did not take action. There are many people like us. And we are all examples for our colleagues and family members. Many times, we want to improve, but things will not change until we act. Be focused. When we start acting, it creates an example. Most of the time, we act in such a way that it creates a good example. If you want to be an example, if you want to lead, or if you want to change your life, you should act. Tip number 3, discourage your ego and be virtuous. This Stoic principle teaches us how to set high moral ground for ourselves. And control your ego. We are unable to build relationships due to lower moral values, and then our ego creates problems for us. Human success and happiness are based on one thing, and that is the human relationship. If we want to have sustainable relationships, we need to build 2 things in ourselves. High moral standard and stick to these standards. Step aside from our egos. Or control our ego. Tip number 4, practice resilience. When you meet failure. Most of the time, we fail because we stop at a temporary setback. Those we saw today were successful. That success was not overnight. This will result in years of sleepless nights and thousands of defeats. The only thing that distinguishes them from those who are not very successful is their ability to take risks and stay resilient. They did not quite. They tried, and they were finally successful. Tip number 5, be kind and understanding toward others. Empathy means you can understand, think, and stand in another person's shoes. Before dealing with a situation or another person, think from the other person's point of view. Understand what happens to him and why he is doing things the way they are now. And act accordingly. In the 7 habits of highly effective people, there is the habit of seek first to understand, then to be understood. If we want to be successful in life, we have to understand others. What are other people's values, how do they act, and where do they belong? Then deal with them. Tip number 6, dealing with poisonous feelings and their consequences. Most of the time, we deal with people. We deal with things that we did not expect from them. Broken promises, betrayal, and results are different. As a result of these behaviors, the toxic emotions of hate, anger, and frustration are built in us. If we want to be a good leader or good family man, like a father, husband, son, or daughter, we have built the habit of letting it go. Let it go, whatever happens, and hope for the best. We have to clear our hearts by accepting life and forgiving it. If we do not remove these toxic emotions, their effect will be worse and make us isolated. Tip number 7, take responsibility for your actions and never place the blame on others. Life is our responsibility, why are we doing it? Due to circumstances or parenting. The blame game never works. Accept the responsibility to improve. If we fail as a team, understand and study it. Found where is weakness and take responsibility to not repeat it. Take responsibility for not letting things happen as you don't want them to. If the worst thing happens, take responsibility for controlling your attitude. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video.